Think technology is good for our life? Yes, of course. It has many advantages, like helping us study and communicate. I agree, it's really life changing, especially for online learning and working from home. And it also give us a lot of enter, entertainment like movies and games. But some